In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add effects to overlays in CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to place an image on top of your base layer, remove its background, and apply effects directly to that overlay so it stands out exactly the way you want. Start by opening CapCut on your device. You can create a new project or open an existing one. Either works. Once your workspace is open, take a moment to confirm your canvas or aspect ratio is correct for where you'll share the video, because it's easier to set that now than to fix framing later. Next, add your base image to the main timeline. This is the background that everything else will sit on. Import the image, then drag it to the primary video track. Resize or reposition it so it fills the canvas cleanly, and extend its duration on the timeline to cover the length you'll need for your overlay. If the base looks stretched or cropped, adjust its fit so it looks natural. Now, add your overlay image. This is the item you want to decorate with effects, like a logo, a product photo, or a character. Place it on a track above the base layer so it appears on top. You can scale and move the overlay to where you want it in the frame. Think about visual hierarchy here. Keep important elements away from the edges so effects have room to breathe. With the overlay selected, remove its background. In CapCut, use the Cutout or Remove Background tool to isolate the subject. After the background disappears, refine the edges if needed to avoid harsh outlines. Clean cutouts help effects blend better and look more professional. Open the Effects panel. Browse categories and preview options that complement your style: glow, shadow, motion, blur, or stylized looks. The preview will help you quickly see what fits your overlay's purpose without committing. Finally, drag the effect onto the specific overlay clip, not the base image. You should see the effect sit on the overlay track. Trim the effects bar to match the overlay's duration so they begin and end together. With the effect selected, tweak settings like intensity, size, color, or speed to dial in the look. If the effect feels too strong, reduce the strength or add slight motion only at the start and end for a subtle touch. Play the timeline to review, and make small adjustments until the overlay reads clearly and the effect enhances rather than distracts. That's it. Open CapCut, add your base image, add your overlay, remove the background, open effects, and drag the effect onto the overlay clip. Save your project when you're happy, and you're ready to use your polished result.